કરીએ તો પરિણામ અંતર્ગત કંપનીના મેનેજમેન્ટ સાથે ચર્ચા કરીએ. શ્રીરામ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ નંબર્સ જાહેર થયા હતા તો અંતર્ગત कंपनी CMD मुरली M अपनी साथे जोड़ाई गया है. सर गुड आफ्टरनून, स्वागत है आपका और फेस्टिव ग्रीटिंग्स. शुरुआत सबसे पहले सर शुरुआत करेंगे एक स्पेशली अगर वाणिज्य की बात करें तो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग नोट पर हम इसको एंड होता देख रहे हैं. जैसे कि आपने बताया था H2 ट्रेडिशनली एक स्ट्रॉन्गर क्वार्टर जो है रहता है, तो आउटलुक सर H2 के लिए आप क्या सेल्स आउटलुक जो है आप देना चाहेंगे और स्पेशली पाइपलाइन जो है यहाँ से लॉन्चिंग को लेकर इसके ऊपर क्या डिटेल्स देंगे?
Good afternoon. Wish you all the viewers very happy Deepavali and happy New Year. As you've seen, Shriram Properties has been growing consistently since listing every quarter on quarter. H1 also we had good numbers. For example, this whole year we are looking at delivering about 3,000 units, which is on track. H1 we delivered about 830 units, and H2 the balance units will be delivered as per the time frame. And not only that, if you look at the growth, we have grown from, quarter on quarter. Last Q1 to Q2 has been a good growth. And the future looks very, very positive. We are bullish on the real estate market in the consolidated industry situation. It's very, very bullish. But of course, we need to keep an eye on the parliament elections, forthcoming parliament elections and government announcements for that period. But I'm extremely bullish, not only H2, for the next 4-5 years time, things will be really good for organized and branded players like Shriram Properties.
जी, नेक्स्ट सर बात करेंगे प्राइसिंग सिनारियो. व्हाट इज द प्राइसिंग सिनारियो लाइक? प्राइस रियलाइजेशन इन H1 आर हायर देन दैट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल ईयर 23. डू यू थिंक देयर इज स्टिल रूम फॉर मोर प्राइस हाइक्स?
H1 we have seen 14% growth on the pricing. Usme we are seeing in H2 could go up by another 5-6% considering the forthcoming parliament elections. But post-elections, I expect a big growth likely.
ओके, डेट के फ्रंट पर अभी सर कुछ बात करें तो डेट लेवल्स कंटिन्यू टू बी हाई. स्प्लिट अगर आप शेयर कर सके बिटवीन NBFCs एंड बैंक्स, एंड व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ डेट और स्पेशली कब तक नीचे आएगा? व्हाट इज द आउटलुक ऑन डेट?
Overall gross debt has come down, so has the net debt. But we have done one transaction project which has done phenomenally well. It's called Shriram Park 63. It is a partnership with Mitsubishi. There we have started paying back because of the project success. So because of that, the debt level, gross debt level has gone up by close to about 140 crores. Otherwise, the gross debt level would have been much, much lower. It is because of the project which is in a good shape. Between banks and NBFC has got about 40% and rest with banks and other institutions. So overall rate of interest also significantly has come down despite repo rate increase and RBI increase in rate of interest. It has come down significantly on the overall rate of interest, and it's likely to come down further in the next 6 to 12 months time.
ओके सर, नेक्स्ट सर बात करेंगे जो स्पेशली इन अगस्त ASK प्रॉपर्टी एंड फंड साथ ही कंपनी ने जो इन्वेस्ट किया था 206 करोड़ इन अ प्रोजेक्ट इन चेन्नई, इसके ऊपर इक्विटी स्प्लिट जो है वो कैसे देख रहे हैं?
This is a partnership between ASK and us. It's a 80-20 partnership. Wherein we contribute 20%, they contribute 80%. We have set up about 500 crore fund, out of which 2 investments which are done. One was in Bangalore. It was done in the month of February this calendar year. And the next one is in Chennai. It's about 205 crores. So we consumed close to about 206 plus about 115. About 320 crores have been consumed. The balance also likely to get consumed in the before the end of this financial year. And we may start next fund with ASK in doing further projects.
Okay.
And we expect close to about 20% in all this.
जी, इसी अगर प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर सर बात करें तो रेवेन्यू पोटेंशियल कैसा देख रहे हैं और आर यू लुकिंग एट सच मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड पार्टनरशिप्स?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are looking at much bigger growth in the next 2 years time. We will be acquiring lots of new projects which are in discussions and pipeline now. And ASK is providing good support for us. And not only ASK, Mitsubishi, as you know that, it's a very large Japanese firm. I've decided to partner only with Shriram Properties in the real estate space so far. And they are also looking at new partnership with us. So hence, I mean, capital is available plenty for us. We are looking at growing further. As you know that we'll be launching the project in Pune also soon. So during this financial year, we'll launch project in Pune soon. The project where ASK invested in Chennai, which has a revenue potential of over 1,200 crores.
जी नेक्स्ट मुरली सर बात करेंगे आउटलुक आपका लेना चाहेंगे ऑन कलेक्शन इन H2 एंड व्हाट इज द कलेक्शन साइकिल लाइक.
So we looked at for the full year collections about 1,600 crores. H1 we have collected about 721. Again, as you rightly said, H1 is generally slower compared to H2. Now that festivity started now, New Year has started for us and Diwali has started. So you will see a bigger growth. We are on track for delivering whatever the guideline which has been provided by us.
Okay. आगे अगर सर बात करें कंपनी ने जो एक्वायर किया इकोनॉमिक इंटरेस्ट इन श्रीराम पार्क 63 चेन्नई फ्रॉम मित्सुबिशी कॉर्पोरेशन, व्हाट इज द पेमेंट रिक्वायर्ड हियर एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेविंग्स आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग हियर?
As you have seen that, whatever the arrangement we have with Mitsubishi, from the project collections and cash flows, we've been able to pay to the partners because project is doing phenomenally well, and the project is likely to be completed sometime middle of 2025, and project has generated good cash flows and good profitability. And we also look at incremental revenue of another 500 crores from this project with about 100 crores profit to us. And project is likely to be completed by middle of 25.
जी एंड लास्टली सर जानना चाहेंगे आपसे ओवरऑल जो अर्निंग्स रहा पॉजिटिव फैक्टर्स जो है जहाँ से अर्निंग्स को रिजल्ट्स को सपोर्ट मिला और कोई नेगेटिव फैक्टर जहाँ से कुछ प्रेशर या एक कंसर्न जो है कंपनी के लिए, इसके ऊपर क्या कहेंगे?
Not able to understand that. Can you repeat it again?
Any positive factors which are very supportive for you for this quarter, especially for in the sense of earnings, and any negative or any concern for company for upcoming quarters?
Understood. Something. So if you look at the projects which are under construction today, so we'll be completing the projects during this financial year, which helps us to achieve our top line and as well as bottom line. So projects are all in completion stage today. Hence, this year comfortably will surpass our targets. Not only this year, FY25 also looks very, very positive. We should be able to surpass our projected delivery because the projects are doing very well, sold which are under construction today, and projects are going as per the time schedule. Hence, next 2 years' time, the profitability and as well as revenues is completely on track. As I said, because of the consolidation, I'm only waiting for parliament election. So once parliament elections are over, I'm very, very bullish. Next 5 years, India will be on a very big growth. So as Shriram Properties will be growing along with the industry growth.
जी डेफिनेटली मुरली सर काफ़ी डिटेल्स आपने शेयर की. थैंक यू फॉर कनेक्टिंग एंड बेस्ट विशेस फॉर कमिंग क्वार्टर्स. थैंक यू अगेन सर.
Thank you.